Cutting your plant might feel wrong, but this is actually one of the fastest ways to make them grow bigger. Welcome to the Chlorophyll Chronicles, where every plant has a story. Let's write it well. Plants naturally grow upward and outward, but without guidance, they can get leggy, uneven, or weak. Pruning redirects that energy, telling the plant to grow fuller instead of taller. The secret to pruning is knowing where to cut. You always want to cut just above a node. That's where new growth comes from. You don't need to cut randomly. Start by removing anything that's not helping the plant thrive. Dead leaves, damaging growth, or long leggy stems. A good rule is to never remove more than about a third of your plant at once. Too much cutting can stress it, but the right amount encourages stronger growth. After pruning, you'll start to see new growth points activate. And instead of one long stem, you'll get multiple new branches. And here's the part most people don't realize. Every piece you cut off, it doesn't have to go to waste. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take those cuttings and turn one plant into many.